Blizzard wants to help me demonstrate how I get the foxes back in their enclosures today while they're out in the play yard, since he snuck out when he wasn't supposed to be out right now. Can we go back our kennel? Come on, good boy. Come on, good boy. You want your snacks? Gotta be a good boy, go in your kennel. Come on. Good boy. Hold on. Here you go, good boy. All right, everybody get some snacks. Good babies. We love Tender and True here. All the foxes love Tender and True. Yes, we do. Just a little reminder, we are still needing to fundraise to upgrade all of our original fox enclosures to the same style as our newer fox enclosures for their safety. All of the enclosures have been temporarily updated so that they are safer and more secure, but make them safer and more secure, I did have to remove the tin tops, meaning all of our original foxes have a lot less shade and a lot less shelter from rain and such for the time being. This is a temporary solution. We absolutely have to fundraise the funds needed so we can upgrade these enclosures and get them back safer and with more shelter. We've raised about $2,000 already, and we need to raise a little over $5,000 so that we are able to purchase. We really need 8 of the enclosures, but I think we can get away with 6 if we do it right. We need your help, guys. Please, even if it's just a single dollar, please consider donating. I know that you guys all are doing as much as you can, and we see you and we appreciate you. And if you cannot donate, remember that interacting with us by leaving comments, liking, sharing, spreading the word goes a long way, even if you cannot donate monetarily. And we appreciate each and every single one of you that helps us do what we do here. Stay clever.